Chili Piper is a great plug and play product. It's super easy to start and you get immediate benefit, but if you dig deeper, you can get so much more. My name is Trent Allen. I'm a RevOps Manager for automations and systems at Maxio. Maxio is a subscription management platform for B2B SaaS. The biggest lift that we did was 2021, SaaSOptics and Chargify got bought together with the idea of bringing the two companies together. SaaSOptics has had Chili Piper for many years, so we were pretty early on. And Chargify, though, had no calendar meeting system at all. They were not really doing any outbounding at all. It was all inbound, and they were using a spreadsheet to figure out who gets the next meeting. There was this pretty basic format to do follow-ups and meetings. So the big challenge was getting that team into Chili Piper, figuring out how we can make that work with two different sales forces, two different marketing platforms, and use it as a central hub tool that both teams were using together, and a source of truth for inbound meetings and then outbound meetings. And really what was great about it is on the Chili Piper side, everything was super easy to launch. We are so integrated in the Chili Piper system because we believe in it so much that to leave that and try to rebuild all that would have caused so much more headache, lost leads, leaky buckets for a while. It just didn't make sense to even consider another tool. And again, a lot of that has to do with just having those amazing people to reach out to and just really trusting the product and where it's going. So now fast forward to today, we are now in one combined sales force. You were a customer of ours and you needed to contact us. You came inbound through the contact us form. Our Chili Piper picks up that you're a customer, can get you to your CSM. So it's pretty interesting how each teams are kind of using it slightly different, but we built so much great automation around data integrity and ownership and opportunities that it's pretty fluid. Now we got immediate bookings. We saw better show rates for people going into their discovery. And it just immediately, we were starting to see this growth. It's about how do we meet the prospect needs? If your prospect wants to meet tomorrow at 3, we want to make sure they can meet tomorrow at 3. Since we launched the Chargify side of it, we were seeing 35 to 40% more show rates. We were seeing an immediate increase in the conversion of getting to a meeting. And as we've been doing this process, we've seen even more percentage of the fills getting to the right person. And those deals going from discovery to demo has increased by about 25%. So it's just immediately we're seeing massive results of having the right person in front of the prospect at the right time. And that's that prospect's, desired time. And it's just incredible to keep seeing that number go up, seeing a lot of, growth in ARR on that product side just by introducing, outbound Chili Piper is the catalyst for them to be able to do that in a very effective and quick way. Chili Piper is a great plug and play product, but the better you know it and the more you ask questions and get creative with it, it becomes so much more powerful. It's super easy to start and you get immediate benefit, but if you dig deeper, you can get so much more.